Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and granting permissions, so the app can control system gestures. This avoids interruptions. Once done, open Edge Slider Lite and accept the initial prompts. You'll be guided to a quick calibration. Make sure to charge above 20% and enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi if you plan to sync profiles. These steps put you directly into the setup flow, so you can adjust sensitivity and hotspots without later redoing basics. You'll now configure the sliders and build profiles to match how you use the device. Start by adjusting sensitivity. Lower values register faint touches, while higher values need firmer swipes. Once you have a feel, create distinct profiles for tasks like media or gaming and assign gestures. Swipe for navigation, hold for quick actions, double tap for shortcuts. Make sure to test each gesture immediately, so you can fine-tune delays. You finish by enabling auto-switching and backing up profiles, so settings persist across updates. This prevents lost customizations. Then test each profile in real scenarios for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure reliability and tweak timing or actions. If things go wrong, like slider drift or misgestures, recalibrate first, then enlarge dead zones or reset the profile. If persistent errors remain, clear app data or reinstall. That usually restores correct behavior without affecting cloud-backed profiles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.